Let's see this. Cheap ass Harbor Freight box. I'm gonna drop it.
It's like a Harbor Freight color, don't it?
Yeah. I think that was a reject. That was one they just got rid of.
Boom! Ready?
He said ready? Like he's gonna drop it? Higher, 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 higher. Yeah. You're gonna hit the tire, go up.
Higher?
No, you're good. On this side. How's that side look, Cody? You need to get up there, bro. It's gonna roll when as soon as he sets it down.
Hey, can you get him a ladder?
I don't think that ladder's strong enough right there. We'll have to get that big one right there. Throw it over there. You know what? Joe, bring the other forklift. Give him a lift up.
I wonder if I should take the top piece off. How you gonna put these? Turn it and lay it against this.
Before I ain't got four-wheel turn.
You don't?
No.
Well, you better fucking turn and curve, turn and curve. Here, it's just sliding. Let me see.
With all them China tools in that motherfucker, it should roll pretty easy.
You're sliding. Ain't like you got a lot of tools in it. Most of them. I hit myself talking shit. You bitch. This is the rest of the way. Oh! Jesus Christ. It's a little heavier than what I thought it would be. You think that shit's gonna flop though?
You're gonna tie them, aren't you?
No. Yeah?
Throw a strap on
You
them
got
or
a strap?
something?
You got strap?
Nah, just drive slow. I'll follow you guys.
You like to record it when it falls?